put up the first panel, working on the second one and the one in the middle. So far so good, and then we're going to be painting this. A little bit later in the day, it's getting dark now, but it's definitely dried up. The light that's up here kind of makes it look slightly different. I'm pretty sure like the camera's not doing the color justice, but I'm totally obsessed. It looks so good. The vision we had definitely came to life, and this was our first DIY too in the house, really doing anything as far as like something from scratch goes, putting something together goes. So we just used these simple shiplaps from Home Depot, cut it up, measured it up and cut it up, and then just posted them together, attached them to the wall using nail gun and a little bit of glue. So for now, the goal is to have, since we're not going to be going back and forth to the nursery room anyways, just to have the crib right here in the middle, in the center, have maybe like a nice long plant over there on that corner, have the rocking chair over here, and then the dresser would be over here with the diaper changing station and whatnot on this side. There's still a whole lot of room like around to do, so yeah, I'm super excited to finally put all this area together. But I absolutely love how this color and this side turned out, and like the texture, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up, but like the texture and kind of the idea and the vision we had definitely came together. It looks so good, and this is definitely the color I would have gone for even if we weren't putting like a little mini nursery up over here. Anyway, so even after we're not using the space for that anymore, like the goal is to have 2 chairs over here, maybe like a little coffee table in the middle, so like for morning quiet time or anything, just a nice lounge area basically in the master bedroom. So super excited. Let me give you guys a close-up of what it actually looks. Again, it's not doing it justice, but so nice. I just love how much texture and how much character it gives this side of the room, so it looks really nice. And then also to add some sort of stickers on this side, wall stickers on this side, and then on this side we'll probably do like a floating shelf just to decorate. And then on this side above where the dresser chest will be, we're probably gonna put up another, maybe like a mirror or like a nice circle mirror or another floating shelf or something. So definitely excited to bring this together, but loving the progress so far. I forgot how tiny they are.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this
Are you helping?
Like I'm here for moral support. Progress, progress, our little helper.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you,
Almost done, almost done. Perfect. Woohoo! High five.
never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon.